Using Afterpay Sandbox is a crucial step in integrating Afterpay into your online store, allowing you to test and refine your payment process in a secure and controlled environment. The Afterpay Sandbox is a simulated version of the actual Afterpay system, enabling you to experiment and troubleshoot without affecting live transactions. To get started with the Afterpay Sandbox, you need to create a test account on the Afterpay website. This account will provide you with access to the Sandbox environment, where you can begin testing your integration. The test account will also give you a set of test API keys, which are essential for authenticating your requests to the Sandbox. Once you have set up your test account, you can start testing your payment flow. The Sandbox allows you to simulate various scenarios, including successful and failed payments, to ensure your system can handle different outcomes. You can also test the Afterpay payment button and the checkout process to guarantee a seamless user experience. One of the key benefits of using the Afterpay Sandbox is that it enables you to identify and fix issues before going live. By testing your integration in a controlled environment, you can avoid potential pitfalls and ensure a smooth transition to production. Additionally, the Sandbox provides a safe space to experiment with different payment scenarios, allowing you to refine your payment process and optimize the user experience. Best practices for using the Afterpay Sandbox include thoroughly testing your payment flow, simulating various payment scenarios, and verifying the accuracy of your API requests. It is also essential to consult the Afterpay documentation and API guides to ensure you are using the Sandbox correctly and getting the most out of the testing environment. In summary, using the Afterpay Sandbox is an essential step in integrating Afterpay into your online store. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless payment process, identify and fix issues, and provide a better user experience for your customers. The Afterpay Sandbox is a valuable tool that can help you optimize your payment flow and improve your overall e-commerce platform.